Hello, all my lovely students. Welcome you all in Zia classes and students. Here I am with one more topic. And before starting the topic, let me tell you that if you are watching my video and if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. It is a request to all of you, whoever is watching my video. If you like it, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that you can get the latest updates of my channel. Students, all my aspiring and amazing students, today I'm going to start or teach you a very common and yet very important writing portion topic, and that topic name is notice writing. Yes students, today I will be telling you all about notice writing. So here we go. Now students, notice writing is that type of writing portion. Yes, it carries lot of marks and it will give you a lot of marks. Now first of all, let me discuss with you, what do you mean by notice writing? What is notice writing? It is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. So it is a piece of information, okay, like you might have seen in your notice school board, bulletin boards. You might have seen in your, we get in office like memos and all that. So it's kind of notice, some important information, point to point and cut to cut. Okay guys, now shall we start the topic notice writing? And this notice writing is very important. Right from class 7 to 12 standard, you should know the basic concept of notice writing. It comes in almost all the examinations, and if you will understand the concept, you can easily score the marks. Correct? Before teaching you notice writing, let me tell you some. As you can see, I have already written for you people some points to remember. You have to remember some points as to what points or what rules you have to follow while writing notice. Clear? Shall we start? Yes, come on students. Now point number 1, the ideal length of notice is 50 words. Okay, so whenever your teacher or during examination, if you will get, in question paper, if you will see a notice, we say, you can see this type of questions, draft or notice, and the word limitations will not be more than 50 words. It will be 50 words. Okay, first point. That means notice, it it doesn't has to have a full length, one page. It can only contain 50 words. 50 words limitation, word limitation, word power capacity. And students, you might be knowing this, that writing short paragraphs or short information is more challenging sometimes than writing full essay. So it is like that. So in 50 words, you have to write all the starting, middle part and ending, and you have to tell your information whatever you want to give it. Correct? Second point, presentation. Yes, you need to understand or you need to follow certain formats while writing notice. Point number 3, try to write notice in indirect speech or positive voice only, passive voice only. So whenever we write passive voice means in something which has already something which is going to happen. Okay, some event is going to happen or take place in a school or in a college or institute, and being a head girl or a head boy, you need to draft. Never we say write a notice, we always say draft a notice. So in that case, you have to draft a notice, being a monitor of the class, being secretary of the of the group, head boy or head girl. So you have to draft certain information. Correct? One more thing students, as you can see here written in blue color. Now format of notice. See, first of all, it is very much required to draw a box. Yes students, you have to draw a box. Drawing a box is very important. Okay, for notice you have to draw a box. Correct? Now you have to draw 1 2 3 4 side box. Okay, now this 4 side, now what I do is, let me share my experience, and I often tell my students also, whenever you are drawing a box, always draw only 3 sides. But the ma'am told to draw 4 side. Yes, you will draw fourth side, but fourth side, the last. See my sketch pen where it is running. Okay, the last line, leave it now, because while writing, and it often happens with many of the students, what they do, they start writing, and first they draw a box, and very nicely or very neatly they draw a box. लेकिन फिर पता चलता है कि वर्ड लिमिटेशन इतना ज़्यादा हो जाता है कि अगेन दे हैव टू रब द लास्ट लाइनिंग पार्ट, which is the sleeping line, line, horizontal line. Again they have to write, or they overlap with the line, which looks untidy, which is not presentable. So students, now that I used to follow, and my teachers used to tell us the same method. Once you finished your format, once you finished your writing portion, after that you can draw the box. Okay, now there will be no confusion. Okay, now students, now let me tell you how to write. Of course, you will dot these 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. You have to write name of your organization for whom you want to put up a notice. Suppose I'm student of particular school. Let's take blah blah blah, any name, ABC school. Okay, so ABC school, of without leaving a line, notice. If you have watched my previous video, you might be knowing my indication of the two-faced arrow. Two-faced arrow means you do not have to you have to leave a line, but here there is no arrow, no, so without, so name of organization, that is ABC. So I will also show you the solved example also. ABC school, notice, and ABC school all in capital letter. Notice has to be in capital letter. This has to be, must, should, compulsory है, it should be in capital letter, all the spellings of all the letters of notice. Okay, after that you have to leave a line. See my two-faced arrow, correct? Next, this is my left side and this is my right side. अभी left side में everything will come. Date of notice, you can also write date, month and year. Okay, here means date of notice means I mean here date, month and year. You might be knowing about this. After that, you don't have, see, just next line. Next line means again you have to leave a line for, see, this is not compulsory. You can leave a line, or it's your wish. If you don't want, you no need to leave a line. It's up to you. But in some books you will find that they leave a line, and some books they will not leave a line. So it is up to you, but it has to be neat. What I have done here is I have left one line. Okay, you, if you want, you may not leave a line, that's okay. So date, month and year, and also, and after that title or heading. I mean, that means a topic. Why you want to, suppose I want to put up a notice regarding school annual function. So what am I supposed to write here? Annual function. स्कूल लिखने का ज़रूरत नहीं, ओनली एनुअल फंक्शन. और इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू राइट अबाउट स्कूल रिपोर्ट, इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू राइट अबाउट about any sports day curriculum or anything, it will come under this topic, correct? After that, body of the letter. Listen here, now in body of the letter, when you are starting, it is my advice, you can start just after the margin also, or you can leave two finger gap. Okay, but in many cases students follow, they start writing just after the margin. That also you can do, but it has to be, again and again I'm telling you, it has to be very very neat. Okay, afterwards last may it will come signature. Next, name. Suppose I am putting so my signature, my name and my designation. Designation means, suppose for an example, if I'm monitor of the class, if I'm head boy or head girl of the school, then I will write my name, Zia. So sorry, first of all I will put up a signature. Next line, without leaving a line, या कहीं भी line नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Signature, name and my designation, like school head girl or only head girl. Okay, after that completely I will close my last that line of the box. Clear guys? Now here I would like to add students, now in this body of notice में mainly क्या क्या होता है, it's like an integrative sentences, okay, like asking, like putting some information like what, who, where, when, what to do, whom, okay, like that it is. So it is like that. So you might, if you have seen this lost and found and all that in the common topics which you will find. One more thing I have written here, notice generally covers 4 points. It could be more than this also, but what mostly I found is an event about, let's say, about school picnic, about school this excursions, school annual function, stuff like that, and inauguration, a function, or general instruction. It could be general instruction that a school is going to organize school annual functions to interested students. Kindly give your names to your respective class teachers, so it could be like that. So these topics only generally notice covers. Okay, students. So students, as I was telling you, here I came with one of the example. Okay, solved example. Our question is, you are the secretary of activities club in your school. Okay, the annual day program is to be held next month. Correct? Write a notice. Usually we say write also, or you will get one more word which is called as a draft a notice. Okay, for the school display board in this reference. So you are the secretary of your school, and you have to draft a notice or write a notice. And what is your question, students? During examination, when you will get the questions and the answers, while formatting the answers, you have to take the points or consider the points which is mentioned in the question. It should not be that question they're asking something else, and in answer you're writing something else. ABC ka it should not be XYZ. Correct? Now, as I told you, the simple formula. What is the simple formula? First of all, what do you have to take? Yes, scale and of course pen, or no, scale and pencil. Obviously students, you will draw line with pencil. Okay, and how many lines? 4 lines? No, 3 lines. Just now I told you 1 2 3 for safety purpose. Correct? And I picked up one name of the school, Cambrian Public School. Just after that notice, I told you not to leave a line here. Again, I left a line. In examination, please do not show my two-face arrow. Teachers will cut the marks. It was just for an indication to make you understand. Cambrian, just below the line, Cambrian Public School. Notice after that leaving a line here, left side, 5th August, 2020. Date, month, year can be written in many forms. It could be many. Please do not write like this. For example, I am showing you 5 8 20. Teacher will put cross. Okay, always follow this format. Okay, date numerical, month words. Date numerical, month in words, comma, follow the punctuation, and year also in numerical. Correct? This one you have to follow. There is no two ways about it. Now you see, students, I have left one line just like that to make my topic or the title very clear. So what is my topic here? My topic is Annual Day Celebrations 2020. I have just put one topic. The topic should be clear. If someone is in a hurry and want to see your notice, so ये topic ही देख के समझ जाना चाहिए. Annual Day Celebrations. If you can also stop here, but I've written to 2020 for official record. Again, I have left one line here. You can leave. I have like 2 fingers gap I have kept here. See what I have written, my dear students. This is to inform all students that Annual Day 2020 will be celebrated on 26th August, 2020 from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Usually, annual day functions and all, it starts from, from evening onwards, like post noon time. and it extends till 7, say 8, say 9. So it extends because it's a grand function, right? At the school auditorium with various cultural programs, of course. So I'm giving her information that this particular date we are going to, start our comments up, annual day function, or in this day annual day function manaya jayega. I have given you timing also, PM, please mention. Okay, next. Also I have written here, Dr. Vikrant will grace the occasion as chief guest. Now full stop, like that only I've mentioned. Who will grace up, this as chief guest? Dr. Vikrant will grace the occasion as chief guest. Okay, so the students will be, and whoever is reading the notice, they will be very clear that who is coming as a chief guest, and they will feel super excited and super thrilled, right? Next. Every student needs to collect their passes from the respective class teachers. This is the final instructions. I told you it's all about instruction, which you have to tell. I left one line here also. Savant Shah. Savant is signature. Savant Shah, just like that. I caught one name and I've written here. And secretary. The person who is writing the notice designation is very important. Okay, students, so very simple. If you will follow this and you will write 5 to 6 to 8, 7 to 8 marks, you will score like that only. Okay, so it's very scory, guys. So first of all, again I'm telling you have to write name of the institution, notice, leaving one line, date, month, one punctuation follow karna hai, year. Leaving one line, annual day celebration, your topic, it could be any topic. Again, leaving one line, your body. See, if I'll count, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like lump sum 9 to 10 lines. Do not exceed more than that. Try to limit your words. See, students, limitation of word is also very important. In the examination, when the teachers correct your copies, they often go for the limitation of words, and they will see that how you have in the 50 words or 60 words only, how you have framed, you have mentioned everything, given the relevant information, at the same time, given all the hints and instructions which has to be given, right? Again, leaving a line, signature, name, and the designation of the person. Our work is over, and again finally you will close a line, correct? So all my aspiring students, this writing portion is very common in all the classes. And please, if you have liked my channel, please subscribe my channel for the latest updates. I'm trying hard to reach towards every student, so that I can give them a varied and very different type of and all kinds of writing portion. And today, what you have learned in Zia classes, you have learned about writing, notice writing. Thank you and have a very great day ahead. Thank you.